everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing glossy lips. This has been a huge trend in the fashion industry the last couple of months. So today I'll show you how to get the perfect runway ready glossy lips. Let's go. The first step into creating a nice opaque glossy lip is definitely the lip primer. The lip primer I'm using is the Flormar lip primer. This lip primer ensures longer lasting lipstick. It provides also a nude canvas for your lipstick application, prevents feathering and drying on the lips, and also ensures your lipstick looks neat, defined upon application. So I'll be just applying that like a normal gloss to the lips, making sure it's nice and smooth. Now that the base has been done, the next step is to apply a lip liner to line the lips, which also ensures that the lipstick would last longer on the lips. The lip liner I'm using is the waterproof lip liner in number 228. It's a very bright fuchsia color, and then we'll be going over it with long-lasting lipstick in number L23 expressive fuchsia. When people think glossy lips, they always think that it won't last as long. That's why we are adding a long-wearing lipstick underneath the gloss to make sure that the color pigment and the payoff is bright all the time. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our gloss on top. The lip gloss I'm using is the Super Shine Lip Gloss in 109 Ruby Crystals. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the gloss on the center of the lid and spread it out to create a rich glossy feel. Our next variation in color is a bright red. So the lip liner I'm using is number 233, and then over that I'm going with the Deluxe Cashmere Stylo lipstick in DC24 Red Boston.